Click on the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to never miss a video from our channel. Hello friends, welcome you once again in our channel Tech Tutorial. Today I am gonna show you how to use your phone camera as a fingerprint scanner. So guys, if you don't have a fingerprint scanner in your phone, just don't worry. Just watch this video till to end. Let's get started. So guys, let me show you the app first. Here you can see this app. So this is the interface of this app. It is asking no fingerprint enrolled, enroll one now. So at first, okay, continue, use existing pin. So guys, it is a backup pin. If you just if the fingerprint is not working, then you can use this pin and also unlock the screen lock. Okay, so there is an already existing. Would you like to use it? If I click on the no, then I have to give the old pin at first, then I have to give here a new pin. So let's give it 2222. Okay, then I click on the continue, confirm 2222, continue. Okay, then continue to enroll. So here I am selecting my left finger. Okay, so now, okay, so here you see finger. Now it will take a little bit time to scan my the small finger of left hand. You can see it will take 7 processes. So it's taking its time. Okay, again, and the last one. Okay, now here you can see match confirmed. Here is two option, click on this, use this fingerprint. Okay, now here is an option off and on. So turn on this option because you want to start this screen lock as your safety guard in your phone. So now I'm turning on the. So now here you can see this, it is asking for my fingerprint of my this finger. Okay, here you can see it is checked and now the phone is unlocked. Now again I am gonna lock it, and I'm wrong fingerprints. Like if I do this, I am giving another finger. So you can see match failed, please try again. Then I am gonna do this. Okay, like this. Oh sorry guys, one thing, if your flash is turned off, please turn it on. You need your flash to scan. Okay, now it is scanning it. Okay, here you can see match failed, please try again. Now I am giving the right one, I'm giving the right finger. Okay, again I have to turn on the torch. Now you will see it is scanned successfully and my phone is unlocked. Okay, let me show you another thing. If you just don't want to give your finger, you can also back up this with the pin number which I gave earlier, 2222. Okay, so it is now also open. If you are in a hurry or if you are in a rush, so you can also try this pin to get your screen be unlocked faster. So that was all about this guys app. So that was all about this app guys. Now go to the Play Store and search here for the app name is ICE Unlock fingerprint scanner. So here you can see this app, download this app. It's really cool and also helpful. It has 1 millions of downloads, and it has a quite good rating, 4.2 star rating. So hope you enjoy this video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Subscribe to our channel Tech Tutorial if you're new to our channel, and hit that red subscribe button below, and hope we will see you in our next video. Thank you, guys.